Cut song selection.
We have the top contender with Ferrari Fuckers.
Let's go!
Ferrari Fuckers. And they're off. Fuckers is on the ground trying to approach Ferrari. And Fuckers fires a shot. Ferrari catches it. Oh God.
Oh! Here's a shot coming.
Hey, man want some flesh, man.
What you want, man? Okay, bomba. I got
Yo, man, broke hungry right now, you know. Me and Uncle Sax, man, over there, so hungry night, I know.
fine, I will eat a food.
That me I said
Oh,
to
you
start.
mean?
John, yo.
Where we are God though?
Yeah, rap man, for go rap some boy, now that me I tell you to, you know.
Oh, you mean?
Buckler.
Yeah, man, you know, say elephant man of running pan.
Yeah, but tell you have too much dog star. You could have carried a dozen gun, you can't kill all of them dog there, you know.
Oh, yeah, say.
Yo, the man keep all the party where they dog more and people.
Yo, so I'm to eye down now. I eye down now with a running pan. The man they run road hard.
What kind of doing ya? I wear the bomb. Hey, we on dog, you know. I want to hear that. The man friend them a dog, you know, and him have 100 more dog, you know.
Ah, hear this thing.
Eh.
I'm to ninja, man.
Tough crackers, you know, so you coming like a duffy bat.
This man, you know.
How you mean? You talk too much foolishness for one day, you know. Idiot, you know, see them and they are 70 and still have nothing out of reggae.
You know, there's something wrong with him.
How you mean? Coming like I set him, so you know. Alright, now me not have no time for you sell back no coke and me take off a ninja to you know.
You know, say,